Welcome to this video on time management. Now, time management meaning and its importance. It's rightly said that time and tide wait for none. An individual should understand the value of time for him to succeed in all aspects of life. People who waste time are the ones who fail to create an identity of their own. So the bigger question is, what is time management? Now, a time management refers to managing the time effectively so that the right time is allocated to the right activity. Now, effective time management allows individuals to assign the specific time slots to activities as per their importance. Now, time management refers to making the best use of time as time is always limited. Now, the time management includes effective planning, setting goals and objectives. Also, setting deadlines, delegations of responsibilities, prioritizing the activities as per their importance. Now, spending the right time on the right activity. Also, you need to remember for the time management is effective planning. For that, you need to plan your day well in advance. Prepare a to-do list or a task plan. Now, jot down the important activities that needs to be done in a single day against the time that should be allocated to each activity. High priority work should come on the top, followed by those which do not need much of your importance at the moment. Well, my next point is setting goals and objectives. Now, working without goals and targets in an organization would be similar to a situations where the captain of the ship loses his way in the sea. Yes, you could be lost too. Set targets for yourself and make sure they are realistic ones and achievable. The next point is setting deadlines. Now, set deadlines for yourself and strive hard to complete the task ahead of the deadlines. Do not wait for your superiors to ask you every time. Learn to take the ownerships of work. One person who can best set the deadline is you and yourself. Ask yourself how much time needs to be devoted to a particular task and for how many days. Use a planner to mark the important dates against the set deadlines. Well, my next point is delegations of responsibilities. Now, learn to say no at workplace. Don't do everything on your own. Now, there are the people as well. One should not accept something which he knows is difficult for him. The roles and the responsibilities must be delegated as per the interest and specializations of employees for them to finish the task and within the deadlines. Now, prioritizing the task. Now, prioritize the task as per their importance and urgency. Know the difference between the important and urgent work. Identify which task should be done within a day, which all should be done within a month, and so on. Tasks which are most important should be done earlier. My next point is spending the right time on the right activity. Now, develop the habit of doing the right thing at the right time. Work done at the wrong time is not of much use. Don't waste a complete day on something which can be done in an hour or so. For effective time management, one needs to be organized. Avoid keeping stacks of files and heaps of paper at your workstations. Throw all you don't need. Put important documents in folders. Keep the files in your respective drawers with labels on top of each file. It saves time which goes on unnecessary searching. Don't misuse time. Do not kill time by loitering or gossiping around. Concentrate on your work and finish the assignments on time. Remember, your organization is not paying you for playing games on computer or peeping into others' cubicles. First complete your work and then do whatever you feel like doing. Don't wait till the last moment. Well, my next point is be focused. Now, one needs to be focused for effective time management. Develop the habit of using a planners, organizers, tabletop calendars for better time management. Set reminders on phones or your personal computers. My next point is, which I'm going to talk about, is the 15 most effective and proven time management techniques which you can follow to be successful in your life. Number 1, plan your day in advance. Now, planning is the first and the best and the most proven of all time management techniques. Firstly, because it helps to properly organize your work, and secondly, because it gives you a detailed insights into all the things you need to do. If you can plan your daily, weekly or monthly task, the rest comes easily. Well, the next point is limit email intake. What I mean is, checking and answering of emails is a burdensome task. Nobody likes it, yet everybody does it. And the statistics says that an average worker spends around 30 hours a week checking on emails. Think about all the tasks you could do during that time. My next point, find your productivity zone. What I mean is, some people are early birds, whereas others are night owls. We all are different and we like to work in the different parts of the day or night. Get up super early if you're most productive in the morning, or stay up late at night if you prefer to work in the darkness. But don't force yourself to change your habits just because it is said that we reach productivity at certain hours. Whatever time management strategies work for some people may not work for you. Well, my next point is eat the frog, like which Mark Twain said. If it is your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it the first thing in the morning, and if it is your job to eat 2 frogs, it is best to eat the biggest one first. It's all about prioritizing. Do the most important task first, and when you are done, switch to those less important tasks. It will help you to better organize the workflow and you will become efficient. It is as simple as that. My next point is take regular breaks. Now, working without breaks may bring you more harm than good. We need breaks so that our brain can refresh and then refocus on work. We can use the Pomodoro technique, or go for a short walk, read a chapter of your favorite book, or make a cup of coffee. Well, my next point is going to be on say no and delegate. Now, everybody has their limit. We simply cannot do everything people want us to. It will lead to burnout and work anxiety. That's why it is so important to be assertive and say no. When people want to assign you with additional tasks, remember, there is nothing wrong with refusing to do you are not able to do, as well as with delegating the task, especially if there is someone who can do the work better than you. Well, my next point is focus and the block distractions. Notifications, pop-up messages, emails, colleagues constantly talking to you, it all pulls your attentions away from work. Now, there are many ways to stay focused. You can put your phone away, turn off the social media notifications, or block distracting websites. The next point is set goals. Set goals and you will exactly know which directions you are heading to. Now, goals are part of the organizational process and they are extremely important in time management. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to get more tips on your career growth, please do subscribe my channel where I'll be coming up with more videos for your career growth. One more thing, you can also click the bell icon to get the latest update on your career growth videos. And if you want to know more about the interpersonal communication skills, you can also click the link below and enroll for the course. One more important thing I want to tell you is that if you do like the video, you do feel that you have got some value from it, then please do click the like button. And if you also want your friends should also learn about the interpersonal communication skill, please do share with them. This is Dhrub signing off. Until we meet next time, goodbye. Stay happy and stay blessed.